NASA uses various space telescopes to observe the universe. So a few days ago, scientists had the opportunity to get a wonderful picture of the universe. That is the merging of two galaxies. This is a galactic merger observed by the Hubble Space Telescope called ARP-MADOR 417-391. This galactic merger is located in the place you see now in this image. This pair of galaxies is located in the constellation called Eridanus at a distance of about 670 million light-years from Earth. If you look closely at this picture, you can see the merging of the two supermassive black holes in the center of the two galaxies. Also, due to the strong gravity created by the two black holes, the arms of the two galaxies are arranged in a ring shape. This image was taken using the Advanced Camera for Surveys instrument on board the Hubble Space Telescope. According to scientists, this camera is capable of observing the most distant galaxies and galaxy clusters in the universe. Also, in addition to the pair of galaxies coming together in this image, two other spiral galaxies can be observed very clearly. But NASA has not provided details about these galaxies. In addition to this, some stars of our own galaxy are located in front of these galaxies when the image is taken. We bring you the latest space news from our YouTube channel. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the little bell button. Thank you.